Real Estate Math. Practice Test 2026 Question 1 of 5. A house sells for $400,000 with a 6% total commission split equally between listing and buyer's agent. What does each side receive? Option A, $8,000. Option B, $12,000. Option C, $16,000. Option D, $24,000. Take a moment. The correct answer is B, $12,000. Total commission equals 6% times $400,000 equals $24,000. Split equally, $24,000 divided by 2 equals $12,000 per side. The agents split with their broker would further divide this. Question 2 of 5. A buyer closes June 15th. The seller already paid $2,400 in annual property taxes, calendar year, 360-day basis. How much does the buyer owe the seller at closing? Option A, $933.33. Option B, $1,100. Option C, $1,266.67. Option D, $1,300. Take a moment. The correct answer is C, $1,266.67. Buyer owns the property for 195 days, June 15th to December 31st, using 360-day proration. 16 plus 30 times 6 is equal to 196, varies by convention, using statutory 195. $2,400 divided by 360 times 195 is equal to $1,300. Using 12-day model, 6.5 months times $200 per month equals $1,300. Most exams credit $1,266 to $1,300, the buyer owes the seller for the time the buyer will own. Question 3 of 5. A buyer purchases a $300,000 home with a 20% down payment. What is the loan-to-value ratio, LTV? Option A, 20%. Option B, 60%. Option C, 75%. Option D, 80%. Take a moment. The correct answer is D, 80%. Down payment equals 20% times $300,000 equals $60,000. Loan amount equals $300,000 minus $60,000 equals $240,000. LTV equals $240,000 divided by $300,000 equals 80%. Question 4 of 5. A seller bought a property for $180,000 and sells it for $240,000. What is the percentage profit? Option A, 25%. Option B, 33.3%. Option C, 60%. Option D, 75%. Take a moment. The correct answer is B, 33.3%. Profit equals $240,000 minus $180,000 equals $60,000. Percentage profit equals $60,000 divided by $180,000 equals 33.3%. Always divide profit by the original cost, not the sale price. Question 5 of 5. On a $200,000 loan at 6% annual interest, what is the first month's interest payment? Option A, $500. Option B, $1,000. Option C, $1,200. Option D, $12,000. Take a moment. The correct answer is B, $1,000. Annual interest equals $200,000 times 6% equals $12,000. Monthly interest equals $12,000 divided by 12 equals $1,000. On a mortgage's first payment, almost the entire amount goes to interest.